Hello friends, today's topic, good news, though FII selling, our markets are not crashing and question mark, why? I am Dr. Bharath. The purpose of the video is service to society. Since August 2023, FIIs have been continuously selling stocks in Indian markets. Approximate selling is worth more than 55,000 crores as of now in the last 3 months. In spite of our markets have been broadly strong and has not fallen much. This is mainly because of the funds available to the Indian mutual funds and other DIIs such as insurance companies. Most of the DIIs receive money from the Indian individual investors. Hence, indirectly and directly, retail investors are supporting the markets from any major firm. Since August 2023, DIIs have made it a net investment of around 52,000 crores. This is almost as much as the selling by FIIs. 1st August 2023, 19,733 is a nifty level. 10th August 2023, 19,668 is a nifty level. Almost 2.5 months and the change is only minus 0.3%. During the same period, Asian, European and US markets have fallen much more than our markets. We must be proud of ourselves since gradually Indian stock markets are becoming stronger. Nilesh Shah, who is a veteran investor and CEO of Kotak Mutual Fund, has stated that the Indian mutual funds have funds up to 2.5 lakh crores to invest and take advantage of any temporary fall in markets due to war, elections, etc. He has done a rough calculations to get the figure of 2.5 lakh crores. For example, 5% of total equity mutual fund corpus is in cash currently. That means 5% of 25 lakh crores is 1 lakh 25,000 crores. Dynamic funds, 40% of 2 lakh crores is 80,000 crores. SIP investments for 3 months, 15,000 crores per month into 3, 45,000 crores. Altogether, the total comes to 2 lakh 50,000 crores. Unlike in the past where DIIs did not have much funds to invest in the market, nowadays just mutual funds itself have the capacity to invest large amounts when required. Apart from this, there are insurance companies who keep investing in the stock markets. FIIs most of the time sell for reasons which are specific to them, such as rebalancing their investments in a particular country, finding better opportunities in other countries, or withdrawing money to invest in bonds in the US. So FII selling does not always mean that it is negative. In the days to come, more and more money and funds will flow to stock markets either directly or indirectly from mutual funds and insurance companies. It's a great opportunity for all Indians to be part of the economic growth of the country. Encourage your close family and friends to put their first steps in the stock market and mutual funds. Today, 10th October, Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. is a live question and answer session on YouTube for Dr. Bharath Institute Kannada channel, and it's meant for all the channel members. And it's happening in Kannada. At the end of the video, here is a question. Do you think Israel war will have major impact on Indian stock markets? Yes or no? In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.